How you doing today, Loren the Barber / cosmetologist?
All right. How are you?
Doing pretty good, man. Just jump right into this part one of getting to know Loren the Barber / cosmetologist, man. Just a few questions just to let people know more about who you are and, you know, your specialty, man. So let's just start off with question number one. When did you first start cutting hair, man? And, you know, when did you first officially get your barber's license?
I technically started cutting hair first when I was around 12 years old, and started off cutting my little brother's hair. Then got my barber's license when I was 21 years old.
Okay, man. So, I mean, that's a long time you've been cutting, man. What do you enjoy most about, you know, keeping people coming back and getting people those nice looking haircuts, man?
First of all, the satisfaction of the customer. And what I like doing the most is designs, expressing my artistic interest, and you know, getting crazy with it, and then, you know, the satisfaction of the completion of a crazy, you know, artistic design or portrait or whatever.
Okay, man. Now I know before it was just Loren the Barber. Now you added the extra piece, man. Now you got your cosmetology license and everything. So, you know, when did you decide that you wanted to jump into that?
After 10 years of being a licensed barber, I decided that, you know, I wanted to add another aspect to it. I was watching an interview with Floyd Mayweather, and he was being interviewed by a guy, I don't know his name, but he was trying to argue with Floyd about being the best and, you know, Pacquiao and everything. So Floyd, he pulled his card and he's like, okay, I forgot who I was talking to, such and such, jack of all trades but a master of none. So, you know, that got me to thinking, like, okay, you know, I'm doing a few things here, but what am I really mastering? Can I say hair? I'm really not. I only know one aspect of it, and that's cutting it. Yeah, so I was thinking I need to master something, man. I can't be a jack of all trades and a master of none. So I took on cosmetology. So now it's pretty much anything you come at me with concerning hair, I got you.
All right, man. That's a big deal right there, man. You know, not too many people doing that out here, man. That's big ups to you.
Thanks.
So, I mean, I know you've been at Robert L's place for a few now. How you like cutting hair there, man?
Yeah. Robert L's is real good. Definitely at this time of my life. There's some veteran barbers in here, seasoned, and we have a young rising star. So a little bit of everything is real clean here, real professional, and some intellectual clientele coming in here, to where I'm really learning, just listening, and, you know, just soaking it all in, man. It's a real good experience.
Okay, man. So now I know you do. I done seen Scooby-Doo. I done seen, you know, the state of Ohio cut into somebody's hair. I done seen all kind of crazy designs, man. What's your most favorite, man? What do you think is the most craziest design that you ever put in somebody's head?
The most crazy as far as being artistic, I would say it was a guy that got designs all over his head, full design, just fully covered. You know, that was crazy. And then, just as far as crazy as weird, it was a guy. This guy, it still comes actually. He just gets straight mohawk, no fade or nothing. It's nothing with the modern look, you know, just basic. So that's crazy to me, you know, with all of these new innovative cuts, but whatever floats your boat.
Okay, man. So that leads me to my next question, man. Just like randomly, what's one thing that most people they don't know about Loren the Barber?
Don't know about me, I would say, is perhaps the professionalism that I want to attain, you know, the full aspect of that, because, you know, typical barbers, you know, around my age or younger is pretty much just, you know, cutting hair as a hustle, you I'm really trying to take it to the next level, and just whatever heights I can take it to, I'm trying to take it there. So I keep furthering my education consistently, and it's whatever.
Okay. All right, man. So I know that's a big step, man. A major thing, man, with school and everything. That's real big, man. You don't see too many barbers around here doing that part of it either, man. So both sides of the fence. I like that. So if I wanted to get a cut by Loren the Barber or anything like that, man, what's the best way I should contact you?
Straight direct to my cell phone, 330-697-1442.
Okay. So that's all I have for right now, man. Is there anything that you want to close with? Anything you want to tell the people?
Just stay abreast of my website, www.lorenthebarber.com. Instagram at Loren Bridges. That's LorenBridges. Kick Loren Bridges. Facebook Loren J Bridges. Just get at me, man. Stay abreast, because like I said, I'm furthering my education constantly, so it only gets better.
All right, man. Well, until next time, man. Thanks a lot.
All right. Thank you.